thank God for giving us this opportunity to present in His presence. And secondly, I would like to thank to our sister for inviting us on our special day. And I was new in school, but I heard that our sister, she really helped our school. She's very close to our school. So on behalf of our school, we really want to say thank you and live a happy life. Now I would like to sing Trust in You. I'm needing you to move.